Namaskaram. This video is for the students of class 9 who are going to appear session ending examination in Kendriya Vidyalayas in the subject Sanskrit. You have got study material. In the study material there are two model question papers. Generally, children find it very difficult in answering the grammar part, Anuprayukta Vyakaranam. So, I would like to discuss the grammar portion in these two question papers. In the first question paper, the grammar Anuprayukta Vyakaranam is coming in page number 114. So, we will start with that question paper. निम्नलिखितप्रश्नानाम् उत्तराणि उचितविकल्पेभ्यः चित्वा लिखत इस् द फस्ट् क्वश्चन्. उचितवर्णं चित्वा वर्णविच्छेदं रिक्तस्थानपूर्तिं कुरुत. कपोतः क प्लस् आ प्लस् प प्लस् ओ प्लस् डैश् प्लस् अः. द रैट् आन्सर् इस् ऑप्शन आ त. कपोतः इस् द वर्ड. उचितं वर्ण संयोजन कुरुत. स प्लस ई प्लस द प्लस ध प्लस इः. आंसर सिद्धिः. ऑप्शन 3. कः वर्णः दन्त्योष्ट्यः अस्ति? दन्तोष्टवर्णं वकारस्य दन्तोष्टम्. ऑप्शन डी व इस् द आंसर. कस्य वर्णस्य उच्चारणस्थानं तालु अस्ति? आंसर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन च. Okay, for easily understanding this ucharana sthanani, there is a sloka. Akuha visarjaniyanam kandaha iju yashanam talu ridurashanam murdha ridulasanam dandaha ubobatmaniyanam oshtau nyamanganananam nasigacha. Edaidoho kandatalu odaudoho kandoshtam vakarasya dandoshtam. So I will give the meaning. Akuha visarjaniyanam kandaha. Akuha. A ku meaning kavargam. All letters in kavarga. Then ha. Then visarga. Okay. A kavargam. Ha visarga. All these letters uchanasthanam kandaha. Iju yashanam talu. E chu meaning chavargam. Then yasha talu. Then ridurashana murdha. R two means tavargam. Then rasha murdha. Ridulasanam dandaha. R tavargam. Lasa dandaha. Then ububatmaniyanam oshtau. U pu meaning pavargam. Ubatmaniya you need not study because ubatmaniya it is coming in Vedas only. So, U and Pavarga. Okay, the letters of these are Ucharanastanam is Oshtaha. Then Nyamanganananam Nasigacha. Nyamanganana Nasigacha. Nasigacha means and Nasiga also. For example, all these letters are coming in all 5 vargas. Kavargam, Chavargam, Tavargam, Tavargam, Pavargam. So, ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. So, the word nga is coming in kavargam. So, the ucharana sthanam of nga is kandaha plus nasika. Okay, that is the answer. Then, edaidoho kandatalu. Edaidoho meaning a and I. A kandatalu. O au kandoshtam. Va dandoshtam. Okay, so study that. Then it will be easy for you to answer the ucharana sthanam. Next one, Rekangita Padanam Sandhi Vichedam Vakurida. Sandhim Vichedam Vakurida. Sarvada Mahul Sahaha Syad. Mahul Sahaha. Maha plus Ulsahaha. This is Guna Sandhi. A plus U is equal to O. That is Guna Sandhi. Mahila Sadeva. Sadeva. Sada plus Eva. Sada plus Eva is Vriddhi Sandhi. A plus A is equal to I. Sada plus eva sadeva. Jagat plus ishaha, jagadishaha. Ta, tavargam, first letter is ta, that will be changed into third letter da, jagadishaha, Vyanjana Sandhi. Okay, jagadishaha. The letter th will be changed into the, third letter, jagadishaha. Idi plus uktaha, e will become ya, that is yan sandhi. Idi plus uktaha, ityuktaha. Okay, so dirgha sandhi is not there. Guna sandhi, vriddhi sandhi, yan sandhi. Okay, so you can expect these sandhis: dirgha sandhi, guna sandhi, vriddhi sandhi and yan sandhi. Okay, from there one question you can expect definitely for the session ending examination. अतो लिखितानि वाक्यानि मञ्जूषादः उचित उपपदविभक्तिप्रयोगेण पूरयेत. बालः डैश् सः आपणं गच्छति. सः is a particular word. When we use saha, there should be tritiya vibhakti, Sanskrit grammatical rule. So the answer is janakena. So in the question paper, if you see the word saha, then use tritiya vibhakti. Janakena is tritiya. Answer janakena. Mada dash pradi. If the word pradi is there, we have to use didiya. Mada griham pradi gacchati. So understand, pradi didiya. Griham is the answer. Dash paridaha. When we use the word paridaha, there also we are using didiya vibhakti. Vidyalayam is the answer. Vidyalayam paridaha. Dash vina safalata na miladi. Vina. When we use the word vina, we can use Tritiya, Chaturthi or Panchami. Okay, here in the option Tritiya is given, so answer Parisramena. Okay, so these are all important words: Saha, Pradi, Paridaha, Vina. Okay, so you can expect these type of questions for your session ending examination. Koshtaka pradatta shabdanam ujidehi shabdarubaihi vakyani pureda. Katshayam chatvarimshad dash padanti. Chatvarimshat dash. Chatvarimshat means 40. So it will be Bahuvajan. Okay, so Balakaha is the right answer. Manchobari Chatvaraha dash Sandhi. Kavihi, Kavayaha, Kavehe. So Chatvaraha again Bahuvajan. So Kavayaha is the Bahuvajan of Kavi. Kavi Shabdam Bahuvajan, Kavayaha. So answer Kavayaha. Ganga Dirgatama dash Asti. Ganga Sriling. Dirgatama. Okay, and that is Sriling Egavajan. So Nadi is the answer. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha is the option given. Nadi Egavajan, Nadyo Divajan, Nadyaha Bahuvajan. Here Ganga only, we are referring for the Ganga only, so that is Egavajan. So the right answer is Nadi. Vrikshe dash Sandhi. Okay, when we see the word Sandhi, it will be Bahuvajan only. Okay, Sandhi, Bahuvajan. Asti, Staha, Sandhi. So Sandhi is Bahuvajan. So there should be Bahuvajan word Falani is the right answer. Ubayukta Dadurubaihi Vakyani Pureda. Saha Gurum dash. Okay, Saha Gurum dash. So the word will be Namadi. For this purpose, you have to study Daduruba and its connecting word. So here, see, Padadi Padadaha Padandi, Padasi Padadaha Padadha, Padami Padavaha Padamaha. We are connecting this Dadurubam with the subject Saha Taute, Tom Yuvam Yuyam, Aham Avam Vayam. Saha Padadi, Tau Padadaha, Te Padandi, Tom Padasi, Yuvam Padadaha, Yuyam Padadha, Aham Padami, Avam Padavaha, Vayam Padamaha. Okay, so here Saha Padadi, Tau Padadaha, Te Padandi, Egavajan, Divajan, Bahuvajan. When the subject is Tvam, Padasi will come. When the subject is Yuvam, Padadaha will come. And when the subject is Yuyam, Padadha will come. If the subject is Aham, Padami. Avam, Padavaha, Vayam Padamaha. Accordingly, you have to study. So study this Dadrub and the connecting word. Then always remember Pradham Purusha, Saha Padadi. And it can be Sa also. Saha Taute. That is Pullinga, Srilinga, Sa, Te, Taha. Sa Padadi, Te Padadaha, Taha Padandi. Okay, that can also come. Otherwise, Balaha. A word can be there. Balaha Padadi, Balau Padadaha, Balaha Padandi. Lata padati, late padadah, lataha padanti. Okay, like that also it can come. First, Prathama Purushan only the changes are there, but Madhyam Purushan and Uttama Purushan only Tvam Yuvam Yuyam Aham Avam Vayam only will be the subject always. Okay, so that you should study, you should remember while writing examination. Okay, so Saha Gurum Namadi. Okay, Saha Guru Namadi. Because Saha is Ekavajan, so Namadi Ekavajan will come. Rameshaha Katshayam Prasannaha dash. Here also again Rameshaha Ekavajan only. If subject is Ekavajan, verb also should be Ekavajan. So the answer is Asti. Hyaha Budavasare Vrishtihi dash. Hyaha is yesterday. When in the sentence the word Hyaha is there, then the verb will be always past tense. So hyaha budavasare vrishtihi abhavat is the right answer. Abhavat. Okay. And vrishtihi ekavajan, that is why abhavad, abhavadam divajan, abhavan bahuvajan. So here vrishtihi ekavajan only, so abhavad is the right answer. Aham krida kshetram dash. Aham, subject is aham. So when aham, subject is aham, then verb will be gamishyami. Gamishyati and gamishyama will not come. Okay. Then Regangideshu pratyam prayujya vibhajya va vikalpebhyaha chitva ligada. Aham pad plus tumun vidyalayam gachami. Tumun pratyam we are using with the verb for getting the meaning for. Pad plus tumun paditum is the answer. Pad plus tumun. Name of pratyaya is tumun, but in the answer it will be coming paditum. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, Padadum, Paditumun, Padidum. Third option is right. Tvam Vidyalayam Gatva Padasi. Tvam Vidyalayam Gatva Padasi. Gatva. Gatva is the word in which what pratyaya is there? Kudva. Tva pratyaya is there. Tva pratyaya meaning after. Okay, Gatva is basic root is Gama, then Tva. Gama plus Tva, Gatva. Okay, when we add Tva pratyam with Gama, we will get Gatva. Okay, so Gatva, Kriditva, Paditva, Ligitva, all these are Tva pratyam meaning after. Okay, Gatva meaning after going. Then Gurum pra plus Nama plus Lep. Here Lep pratyam also we are using for getting the meaning after. But when Upasarga is there, we are using Lep. If Upasarga is not there, we are using Kudva pratyam. Okay, Gama plus Kudva. There no Upasarga. But here pra is Upasarga. When Upasarga is there, we are not using Tva pratyam, we are using Lep pratyam only. But meaning is after. Pranamya, after saluting. Okay, that is the meaning. Pranamya. Pra plus Nama plus Lep, answer Pranamya, second option. Koshtaka pradatta samujita avya padena adholigita vakyani pureda. Mohanasya brada adhyanaya dash gandhamichadi. Mohanasya brada adhyanaya dash gandhamichadi. Varshagale dash jalam asti dash parisramaha bhavati dash safalada bhavati. Okay, so here tatra yatra word is there. So yatra and tatra will come together only. Okay, so that will be the answer of third one. Yatra parisramaha bhavati tatra safalada bhavati. Then Varsha Gale dash jalam. In rainy season, everywhere there is water. So everywhere. Sarvatra is the answer. Second one. Then Mohan's brother Adhyanaya Anyatra Gandhamichadi. Mohan's brother wants to go another place for study. Okay. Adholigita Vakyeshu Samujita Samskrita Sankhya Padehi Riktastanani Pureda. Krida Kshetrashu dash Balakaha Kridandi 4. So always remember 1 to 4 there is differences in pulling, striling and nabumsaling. Okay, for one, pulling shabd ekaha, striling eka, nabumsaling ekam, ekaha, eka, ekam. 2, pulling dau, striling dve, nabumsaling also dve, dau, dve, dve. 3, in pulling trayaha, striling tisraha, nabumsaling trini. For 4, പുല്ലിംഗ് ചത്വാരഃ, സ്ത്രീലിംഗ് ചതസ്രഃ, നപുംസലിംഗ് ചത്വാരി. So 1, 2, 3, 4 only there are differences in pulling, striling and nabusaliംഗ്. 5 onwards there is no difference. Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. Okay, 5 onwards. For pulling we are using Pancha, striling also Pancha, nabusaliംഗ് also Pancha. Okay, Panchabalagaha, Panchabaligāha, Panchapustagāni. Okay, but 1, 2, 3, 4 there are differences. Ekaha balakaha, eka balika, ekam pustakam. Dvau balakau, dve balige, dve pustake. Trayaha balakaha, tisraha balikaha, त्रीणि पुस्तकानि. चत्वारः बालकाः, चतस्रः बालिकाः, चत्वारि पुस्तकानि. Then पञ्च बालकाः, पञ्च बालिकाः, पञ्च पुस्तकानि. Okay, so you should study 1 to 10, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then only you will be able to answer this question. For 10 Sanskrit dasha, 20 vimshati, 30 trimshat, 40 chatvarimshat, 50 panchashat, 60 shashti, 70 saptati, 80 ashiti, 90 navati, 100 shatam. Okay, 9 nava balikaha, 24 chadurvimshati, 12 dwadasha. Okay, so that also study properly. Okay, yes. Now these are the questions you can expect in the grammar portion. Okay, thank you children, thank you very much, and in the next video we will discuss the grammar part of the second model paper. Thank you children, thank you very much.